So Dr. John Bartimus here today to adjust Bambi, rescuing and optimizing the function of our resident Bambi. So if you can see, Bambi's got some level of nerve damage. It's not 100% because he can put a little weight on it if he decides to and move it. But there's so much so that I can move it at will versus this other leg, he'll fight me. Okay? So you can see him moving that leg, meaning there is nerve connection happening, but not so much that there's some flaccidity there. The people who dropped him off said that there may have been a log dropped on him, so nerve damage to the knee and hip joint. And if you watch him walk, he'll flail it behind him, so the SI joint's an extension. So we want to put some flexion into the SI joint and then work this hip zone. So we're just going to mobilize and do some muscle work to his hip. I know. And I'll put a video in the pre that shows him walking that you sent me, and then we'll have him walk after and see. And then we give him a little tap. So Dustin Rules is faster in the hands, and for little joints, I mean, he's got little joints, so we'll just make it easier. So I'm going to put the SI joint in this direction here. So if you hold that leg up. What was that? So let's have him walk and see. Come here, babe. Move him along. Okay. Leave him alone, Reese.
Come on, baby, try to walk. Come on, baby, try to walk.
Reese, leave him alone, please.
Bambi. Bambi. Let me see how walk. Let's try to walk. Let's try to walk. Look, he's walking.
So if I'll put a little bit of weight on that foot. Keep going.
Doesn't look like it's as crossed as it was behind him.
He's dropping it back right underneath him now. Go see Mama. You have some food or something you can...
Don't have a bottle right now. Hey.
He's like, what just happened? This feels different. It's almost like he's checking it out.
Yeah. Before we did it, he was standing with his leg wrapped behind like it wasn't another leg. So that's better. You see how it still swings behind? So more evidence of the possible nerve damage because the nerves let you know, or let the brain know where your limbs are in space.
Right.
So it's improved, but it may take some time to get that proprioceptive feedback back. But how much does he stay? Does he normally stand with 2?
No.
No, so this is better.
They did get some adjustment.
Gave him an adjustment, yeah.
Come here.